I'll start by using the Released Products form to create a new simple product. In a later demonstration, I will show you the full process for product creation. We'll start by going to the Product Information Management module. Then, underneath Common, we'll open Released Products. Here, I'll click the New Product button. For my example, we'll create a new baby t-shirt. In my demo data, I do not have a number sequence set up, so I'm forced to type in a new number for my product. I'm typing in a product name and a search name, so I'll be able to find this item easily later. On the lower half of the form, I'm going to select some values for the item model group, item group, and storage dimension groups. We'll discuss these in more detail later on. When you click OK, the product will be created and it appears in the list page. Now I'm going to update and add some more information. We'll start by adding a product category. So while this item is selected in the list, I'm going to click Product Categories in the Setup group. This will open a new screen. I can select as many categories as I want. However, you can only select one category per category hierarchy. I'm going to use the retail product category in my example. And we'll put it in the apparel and shirts category. Now that I have added some categories, we can now go look to see if there are attributes. You'll notice that in this particular example, an info log is received. When you receive this error message or this warning message, it's because the retail product category hierarchy has some properties on it and it wants me to update them. I'm going to choose yes. On the Update Product screen, you'll see I can choose which options I want to update. I'm going to select all and then click Update. Once the product is updated, you'll receive an info log and you can close that message. Now that I've added product categories, I'm going to add product attributes. This is done in the Setup group of the Action pane. As we discussed earlier, product attributes cannot be added manually to a product. They must come from the product category. So I'm going to change the product category to the product category that we configured earlier. We use children's shirts. So by changing this to children's shirts and reopening the attributes form, we will be able to see the product attributes that we created. Here you can see has sleeves. I'm going to mark the checkbox and say yes it does. And then for the sleeve type, I'll select that it's long sleeves. Now we've created a product and categorized it and entered in some detailed attribute information. In the next lesson, we'll learn about product masters.